It's the first sunny day in ages, so we're making cocktails. Dark and Stormies are one of mine and Chris's favourite ever cocktails. It looks impressive and it tastes amazing. And I'm going to show you how to make it and get that impressive looking separation between the two layers. It's really simple to make. You're going to need some ice, a couple of limes, some spiced rum, some spiced ginger beer and a couple of mason jars, or you can use glasses, but I'm pretending that I'm cool. First, we'll fill the 2 jars with ice. See if I can do this without getting ice all over the work surface. Nope. Pour in the ginger beer, leaving a good inch of space in the top of the glass. Add a slice of lime and the juice of half a lime to each glass. I'm using this squeezer to get the juice out because it's really efficient. And now we're going to add in the spice rum. I'm using the Kraken black spice rum because that's my favourite. And what we're going to do is pour the rum over the back of a spoon. So we'll place the spoon in the jar and just pour the rum over it slowly, and that should get that nice separation of layers. Straws in and a slice of lime on each, and you're ready to serve. Nothing better on a sunny afternoon.
I needed that today.